Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Omnitracs. Use your company ID, username, and secure PIN so records link to you. Next, confirm the vehicle and trailer ID on screen. This prevents misassigned miles. Once done, set your duty status to drive and run the per-trip checklist, record defects, fuel, and odometer readings. Save those entries immediately because accurate start data avoids trips being rejected later. This first run gets your log chain ready for the road. While you're driving, manage duty statuses precisely. Tap drive, on duty, off duty, or sleeper as conditions change. You should add short annotations for yard moves, fueling stops, or inspections. These notes and location stamps explain odd time segments. Make sure to monitor the HOS timers on the dashboard. Omnitracs shows your 14-hour window and required breaks so you stay compliant. If you switch vehicles or take over a run, update equipment ID immediately to keep the log chain unbroken. At shift end, review and certify your daily logs. Check entries, sign, and submit electronically so dispatch sees finalized records. Then sync or export to the fleet server and confirm upload status and timestamps. This prevents pay or compliance issues. If you discover a mismatch, use edit log or duty change to correct entries, add an explanation, and save, but note edits may require carrier approval. If the record is locked or errors persist, contact your support desk immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.